good, bro? We back with another banger. Nigga, this gonna just be a little POV drive because it's nighttime and I just feel like driving. So, hold on, I'm finna turn this light off. But no, we finna go through downtown. It be hella police down here, especially at nighttime. But it do be looking nice down here sometimes at night. And like sometimes it be some cars down here. I ain't gonna lie, like I'm mad I wasn't recording on the way to this bitch. Cause there was some fast shit out here earlier. Man, bro, damn, I gotta get from behind this nigga, but I wanna go through downtown, bro. On the nights, damn, that light bright as fuck. But on the nights when this bitch slapping, like it be looking cool, like it be cars and shit. And I think it's an old nigga, bro. Damn, nigga. Damn, that's a cat. See, told y'all to be fast shit out here. Like at nighttime, bro, like I don't know. Oh, yeah, bro, I thought the police just pulled out behind me. It was just an Audi that just went past. That bitch was hard. I just heard some tires scratch. Shit. So yeah, y'all see all the guys, hella police cars right here. Shit. All the police be at. As soon as I get from out of here, then I'll start tripping for real. Like doing pulls and shit. Hell yeah, it be like when I hit this street. Hold on, let me get. I wonder if I'm gonna see some shit out here tonight, man. Cause some nights, like, bro, it'll just be hella cars, like, oh. They be like on different sides of town too. Niggas leaving the club and shit. Oh, this nigga tripping around the corner. This is a Jeep. Damn, I see some lights up there. The police that got somebody at. What y'all think? We should go through there tripping? I just had to make some noise around this bitch real quick. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not going past the police, so I'm finna turn at this street right here. It ain't no traffic out though, so that's good. Like, I can really have fun. Actually, no, that street bumpy as fuck. If I ain't tripping. I don't think I am. Yeah, this street bumpy as hell, bro. But there's hella police down there, so it ain't even no debate for real. Y'all know how to make y'all, like, I know like scats and cats know how to do it, but like like y'all RT owners know how to make y'all shit pop? It's really not hard, but it do like when you learn it, but it do take a little second to learn sometimes. But you really just gotta know like where to release the gas at for real. See, this street fucking suck. I wonder, like, should I do this more? Like, just chill a little late night, cause I mean, I do be out sometimes, shit. Then, like, really, I don't even gotta, like, you feel me, the videos ain't even gotta be that long type shit. Like, it could be some cool shit. I might start doing this, like, no cap. Just, it'd be better on the nights when it be other cars out. I really don't see nobody out right now. And it's Thursday, I mean, Thursday, not Friday, but that's the end of the weekend. That shit crazy, bro. This car should be really turned, man. I just ain't had nobody. I mean, I could have probably got somebody to cut up with, but shit, I was already out. I was like, shit. So I go back downtown. That's a little out the way though, twin. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, that's a little bit out the way. I mean, I could go back, but it's like, shit.